Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning nature-related Hebrew vocabulary. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for nature in Hebrew is teva. Teva. A tree is etz. Etz. And the plural form trees is etzim. Etzim. A flower is perach. Perach. And the plural form flowers is prachim. Prachim. A river is nahar. Nahar. A mountain is har. Har. A hill is giv'ah. Giv'ah. The sun is shemesh. Shemesh. The moon is yareach. Yareach. Sky is shamayim. Shamayim. A cloud is anan. Anan. And the plural form clouds is ananim. Ananim. Rain is geshem. Geshem. Wind is ruach. Ruach. Air is avir. Avir. Oxygen is chametzan. Chametzan. An ocean is okeanus. Okeanus. The sea is yam. Yam. A beach is chof. Chof. A lake is agam. Agam. A forest is ya'ar. Ya'ar. Grass is esev. Esev. A rock is sela. Sela. And the plural form rocks is slaim. Slaim. Soil is adama. Adama. Sand is chol. Chol. Snow is sheleg. Sheleg. Ice is kerach. Kerach. A leaf is ale. Ale. And leaves are alim. Alim. A plant is tzemach. Tzemach. And the plural form plants are tzmachim. Tzmachim. An animal is ba'al chaim. Ba'al chaim. And the plural form animals is ba'alei chaim. Ba'alei chaim. Earth is kadur haaretz. Kadur haaretz. A star is kochav. Kochav. A comet is כוכב שביט. כוכב שביט. A rainbow is קשת בענן. קשת בענן. A volcano is הר געש. הר געש. A canyon is קניון. קניון. A desert is מדבר. מדבר. An oasis is נווה מדבר. נווה מדבר. A swamp is ביצה. ביצה. A waterfall is מפל מים. מפל מים. Prairie is ערבה. ערבה. A jungle is ג'ונגל. ג'ונגל. A coral is אלמוג. אלמוג. And the plural form corals are אלמוגים. אלמוגים. A seashell is צדף. צדף. And seashells are צדפים. צדפים. A wave is גל. גל. A creek or a stream is נחל. נחל. Sunrise is זריחה. זריחה. Sunset is שקיעה. שקיעה. A meteor is מטאור. מטאור. A peninsula is חצי אי. חצי אי. A bay or a gulf is מפרץ. מפרץ. A reef is שונית. שונית. A lagoon is laguna. Laguna. Rainforests are יערות גשם. יערות גשם. A meadow is אחו. אחו. A valley is עמק. עמק. A crater is מכתש. מכתש. A cave is מערה. מערה. And the sinkhole is בולען. בולען. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.